Hey, and welcome to Alpha One. As I see up there right now, we started a $100 challenge. That means we just started with $100 with Alpha One iBot. Because I'm telling you that you can do a minimum deposit of $100. So I want to do it so I can show you that you can do it also. We have now run the robot for 1 day. We did win the first time. And now will be the second time I'm going to run the robot. You can run this robot also, by the way. Use the link you see up there right now. And instead of, like I did, you will use the promo code you find below the video. So you get 100% on your first deposit, okay? I did use without because I felt that will be even more fair, okay? Also make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out my Forex signal group, okay? It's complete for free. Link below the video for that also. So let's start up Alpha One iBot. And there we have it. This is the second time we have now run Alpha One iBot on a small account. There you can see the trade from yesterday, and we got now this trade for today. So we have currently built up almost $26, so 26% gain on account in 2 days. That's not too bad. So let's continue with this tomorrow. Have an amazing day.